Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome in Windows 10. So here you guys can see I already have the Google Chrome, but I'm just showing you guys how you guys can download. So you must have should have the Microsoft Edge, right? So you guys need to open the Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer or any kind of browser. Okay, so now I'm just searching for Google Chrome. Now here you can see the Google Chrome web browser, so official website. So here you can see that download Chrome option is available here. You simply guys need to click on that and your Google Chrome will be automatically started downloading. Okay, so now if I open the file and if I double click on that installation file, it will take it's taking a couple of seconds, not more than that. Okay, so now here you can see that it's downloading. Okay, so it will take no longer time because it's lightweight kind of. So now here you can see it's being installed and it's taking some time. So I'm just waiting and you guys have to wait. Okay, so here you can see installation is completed, and as I already have the Google Chrome so pre-installed, so if I open there is nothing new showing. So in case of you guys, it will you guys have to follow some basic steps, so which is pretty much easy and basic things. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can download and install Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.